Welcome back to KCee Motors. We are all right, so now I just want to give you guys a quick update on some inventory we had. We had both the side-by-side and the Vulcan. Both of them are gonzo. We actually sold the side-by-side to a dealer, and we ran the Harley or the Vulcan through the auction. But we have two pieces of inventory that this video is going to show you. It's going to show you the two purchases we made in the last 2 weeks. So I want to give you guys just a quick rundown of where we are with the side-by-side and the Vulcan before getting into this, because now we essentially actually had 4 pieces of inventory and 2 of them are gone. Now we're down to 2. The second bike in this, we're not exactly going to be able to sell right away, hopefully in the next month, but I have some people who are interested in the first bike y'all are going to see, and hopefully we can get that sold this week, and hopefully we can start making some good money. Hopefully from here on out we can start making some profit, y'all. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, hit that bell. Y'all know the 9 yards. Let's get those likes up. Do me a favor, hit a like on this video so that way we can get this video out to more people and get better content to y'all. So anyways, let's get straight to the video, and we'll see you guys at the end of this. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to KCee Motors. We are here picking up a unit in Abilene, Texas. We drove 3 hours to come and meet this guy tomorrow morning to pick up this beautiful looking Harley. Come and have a little bit of fun with the family. Brought the trailer that we just picked up. You guys can see the damage is still there, but it drove like a champ.
I got Slinky.
You got your Slinky?
Yep.
Sweet. And so we're gonna go and enjoy the night, and you guys will see the vehicle tomorrow. All right, y'all, this is the beautiful bike right here. We are in here in Abilene. Came here to open this so I can open it from the outside just to check it when we have to stop. But this is the bike right here. 2011 Harley Davidson FLHX. This thing is a beautiful bike. I'll go over and walk around when we get home, but I just wanted to come back here and check it one more time before we hit the road. I think we're good. It's not moving anywhere up front, and then this backside is good too. So all right, y'all, we're getting gas. We're gonna head on home. 3-hour trip, but we got what we came for, and hopefully this is gonna make us some money. So we're gassed up. We're gonna get some air in the front right tire. It's a little light, and then we're gonna head out. And we're out of here. So yes, I would like a receipt. Gotta write these things off for the business. All right, let's go get some air. We're out. Kennedy Tire and Wheel. Oh man, shout out to these guys, man. They really put in the effort. Mr. Kennedy, he allowed us. We've been here for about 2 hours trying to get this tire fixed. We had a tire separating, so this front left one was issued, but we got it fixed. Now we're 2 hours away. What is up, everybody? So I've yet to show you guys a true walk around of this bike. This is the bike we picked up in Abilene. 2011 Street Glide FLHX. Beautiful. It's got the back seat. It's got the back chrome piece here for luggage. Vance & Hines exhaust, like I mentioned. It's just a beautiful bike, man. This thing is a beauty. They've had a tuner on this. They also added these bags up top. It's just a nice bike, man. Beautiful. This thing's book increased by like 15 or 1600 bucks over the last I don't know, 2 days. So it's pretty impressive. So we're gonna put it in here and probably keep it in there for storage until we take it to sell it. But anyways, like I said, I wanna give you guys a walk around of this. Y'all can hear it start up. Let's get it cranked. That prime engage. Beautiful. We're gonna get her in the trailer. What is up? We got another beautiful piece of inventory today. Went and picked up this 2019 SXF. This thing's a beautiful bike, man. Runs good. I'm not exactly sure though if there's a knock. You guys tell me. Oh my God, dude. Back at it, man, after that launch. I don't know what the hell I was thinking, but excuse the pillows. We just delivered some furniture to an old friend of ours. So give you guys a quick little walk around. I'll show you guys more in the sunlight, but just wanted to give you all a rundown of what we have, what we're doing. Thank you all for watching. I'll give you guys a better walk around